heal this up. Oh my god. Hello amigos, welcome back to another video guys, doing an unboxing with another product from Razer. So ito guys, binili ng kapatid ko sa Ililo sa Data Blitz. So yun na siya guys. This is the kind of white that I wanted, pero iba yung nasa kanila. Ito na lang yung available. So kung na talaga magpalit ng keycap, kasi black yung keycaps ko. Tapos yung aesthetic, mukha aesthetic. Hindi naman aesthetic, kundi like, you want to have a white keyboard, pero walang white keyboard na merong parang maneuver sa kilid. Going to change our keycaps na black na binili natin na keyboard is the Black Widow version 3. So ayan guys, we're going to change our keycaps from black to white. This is the Razer Phantom keycaps upgrade set white version and for mechanical and optical keyboards. So it's a unique stealth design with the translucent sides and then universal compatibility. May meron daw sa bottom lasered legend. Nabili namin siya for 1,995 pesos. Let's do it! So ito, it's for gamers, by gamers. So we have here for plastic containers guys. But before that, meron pa rin siya. Lahat ng Razer product meron ganito, yung parang manual nila. Saka yung introduction nila or paano gamitin yung keyboard. Yung first natin, ay meron pa pala dito guys, dalawa. So this is for optical keyboard stabilizer. And then we have the mechanical keyboard stabilizers. Ayan. We have here the two. So we have 4 containers here. Wala nang laman. Actually guys, hindi mo siya makikita. Ay, meron pala sa likod. Makikita mo siya. Medyo masisilawan lang siya ng light. Makikita mo na yung letters and numbers. So this is F1 to F12. Ito na yung ABC. Spacebar. And then if you notice guys, dalawa yung spacebar dito for I think spare siya. And we have here para makuha mo yung keycaps. So let's get started. Yung gagawin natin guys is hayaan natin mag-on yung PC natin. So ito yung keyboard natin guys. Keycaps natin is color black. And then yung papalitan natin ng white. Okay, we have here our keyboard and keycaps. Start putting the keycaps na. Yung bagong keycaps natin. So unahin natin to. Medyo hindi siya makikita. So let's heal this up. Let's put it there. Oh my god. Medyo mahirap. Guys, it takes time talaga na matapos tong set na to. So, I will be back guys. Tatapusin ko lang to guys. Okay? It takes really time talaga. So, very easy lang naman kasi merong ito. And then you need to compare lang naman yung ito dito. And guys, let's go back later. Babalik tayo in a while guys. So, see you in a while guys. Bye! So guys, finally, nandito na yung keyboard natin. So it's all good na siya guys. Ayan. Hindi ko na pinalitan dito. So all good na tayo with our white keyboard. It's been a while kasi medyo a lot of time spending changing the keycaps. It really takes time guys. But worth it naman siya. Diba? That's it for today guys. And I hope na excited kayo sa keyboard natin na bago. Diba? Parang ano siya, yung parang ice cubes. Parang ganun. Parang ice cube siya, diba? I like the color. I like how it's done guys. And hindi naman ako na-disappoint. Mahirap lang talaga siya lagyan. Mahirap lang talaga siya tawag dito, palitan. Pero all good naman siya guys. And thank you very much for watching. And see you in my next unboxing guys. Adios mi amigos. Peace out. Bye. So guys, ano lang guys, recap lang. Yung ginamit ko pala dito guys, it's the optical keyboard stabilizer. The reason kasi, yung Black Widow kasi guys, is kind of siguro built-in na siya for mechanical. So, hindi na siya kailangan ng ganito. This is for mechanical keyboard stabilizer. Itong mechanical keyboard stabilizer, natatandaan ko, yung sa Black Widow version 1 ko, ganito yung ginagamit. Yung, pero may mga ano, ganito. Feeling ko gagana doon ito, kasi dito kasi it's already built-in mechanical keyboard siya. So, yung papalitan lang talaga ito, guys. Just this one. So, ayun guys, that's all. Yeah, let's back. Bye.
I got deja vu when I saw you at a table at a road spot set for two. With that look in your eye when you smile like you always do. But this time it wasn't me that was sitting there next to you.